And we are in front of a pretty new Mercedes Sprinter's Malibu Genius Performance, and the model is 641 Li. That's actually one of the first one from Malibu. Let's check the actual specs. Called the Malibu Genius. 4x4, and these are the complete specs with the final price of 148,000 euros. Actually, this is the final price, 158,868 euros. These are the complete specs. And now we have a couple of people inside, but I will be checking the complete interior right now once we get on the back and check this rack system installed for a lot of great items with the slide out, so you can slide out and put a lot of stuff inside. That looks pretty amazing. And also the garage system, if you don't install this rack system, it's not bad, not the biggest, but this is a Sprinter van, slightly different from the standard Fiat Ducato chassis van. Then from the inside we have the standard Malibu styling with two sitting on that side and pretty classy interior with the slide out. Then from this side we have the additional cooking top, a smaller sink and the two cooking stoves. I will be now getting and trying the inside of this to check how this looks and actually how is the bed feeling inside. And from this side we have two pretty deep cabinets, and this one with the push side. Going back, here an additional cabinet, just like I show you. This is mounted just like that, and then additional storage with actual bed that actually pretty long, stated 2 meters and something, fitting a longitudinal bed on a Mercedes Sprinter of under 6 meters that I suppose he made. And here is the actual toilet, not so bad. Getting outside, actually this is an extended model, just like you are seeing, because it's 641 variant. Not bad at all.